Okay, Garmin.
The bones had been destroyed. Humphreys could do nothing but try to find a way to help her live her life. And so, on January 29, 1927, he fitted Grace Fryer, then 27, with a solid steel back brace. It extended from her shoulders to her waist and was held in place by 2 crossbars of steel. She had to wear
That would be a sick charity. Crust for like starving kids, maybe with the crust.
Red light camera ahead.
What the fuck?
Don't hit the brake, just go straight. I got that on dash cam. That's on dash cam. That's on dash cam.
Whoa! Oh, fuck!
They had crazy shit, like they could read cards, they had like an x-ray machine, they had cameras and chipboards. I don't know who they were communicating to though, there's a lot going on, but it was happening in LA, Vegas, New York, all over. God.
via command.
Site video.
Gusto morir peleando. Calcado que no iba a dejarme si por mí.
Wake up, fool!
Yo solo contra varios. Pudiera llevar un largo, fuera diferente.
Right now, like you could be in a state of mind right now, but you can make some decisions to adjust that, and over the next couple hours, you'll get to a much better place. And these constant management decisions, they waver in and out of your life on a daily basis. Like this idea that you could have a good mindset, then all of a sudden you'll be happy. That's...
What the fuck? What the actual fuck, dude? Oh my fucking god! Like, what the fuck is wrong with you?
And it comes out, and there's gonna be days where you're just not feeling so good physically. And then you have this reward. So you push through this, and you have these uncomfortable...
Oh, shit.
Flying to the...
Holy fuck. It's just giving her a basket like I was parked.
Oh, I loaded one going down the hill, the copper one. Oh yeah, I ain't even giving her there yet. Now Tony at 5.
Alright.
Toi, tu vas te mettre devant moi. Avance là.
That's your feet.